Hi there, happy Sunday night. If you tuned in last night, or if you have been looking over last night's video, you may have noticed that the sound didn't work. Well, technology has not been with me this weekend. I just spent 40 minutes trying to get the computer going, downloading software. Apparently there's something new for live, or at least for the laptop I was on, and it was not working. So that's why you're getting me live from the couch, from my phone. No light, no nothing. So last night we were talking about meal planning, and I want you to know we are going to go over that in much more detail tomorrow. There's a free download if you haven't noticed. It's on salutogeniclife.com under meal planning. There's a handful of free downloads for snacks, and there is a free week stress buster meal plan. So take a look at that, and tomorrow we will go over everything that you need to know as far as what meal planning is, who meal planning is appropriate for, what you can get away with when you're meal planning, how you should meal plan, and the tips and tricks that I use to utilize meal planning at our house with a toddler who sometimes eats meals and sometimes snacks. So if you have questions about food, we're going to hit that really hard tomorrow. The remainder of the week is going to be comprised of, meal planning Monday, we're going to talk about detoxing. We're also going to talk about gut health because the majority of our immune system starts in our gut. We're going to hit that really hard. Also, of course, immunity and stress, and then we'll see how the week is rounding out, if we have any requests or any questions that you have, and we'll go over those towards the end of the week. So let me know how we can help. I hope that you are all hanging in there, that the weekend was a little bit of a reprieve from working at home, and if there's anything that you want answered privately, feel free to send me a message and we will go over that individually, or I would be happy to put that in front of the group as an anonymous post. So remember that we are all in this together, and we will help modulate our stress so that we are boosting our immune system and surviving every single day and coming out even better than we were when this started a couple weeks ago. So love you all. Have a great weekend, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.